So in this video we will be building a real estate website like this. So if we go to the top, we can see here, we can see the listing, and then here we can search for any property within any city, and we can also search the property in any zip code, and here are the listings that will show up in these cities. So here are the featured properties that will be featured by the admin, and the agents can request for a featured post and then the admin can show them here. And here are the agents who are going to add the listing, and testimonials, houses for sale, and there are different functionalities as well. To create a website on WordPress, first of all you need to have a web hosting. So for web hosting I recommend Bluehost. So you can use pioneerstrikes.com/bluehost, and I will provide all of these links in the description so you can get access to them. So here you can get 70% off through this link, and then you will have to simply click on get started, or maybe you can go to shared hosting from here. Now here are 4 packages. So for a real estate website we can use the first package. You can also get the second package if you want to add unlimited websites. Otherwise the first package is good as well, as they provide 10 GB SSD storage, which is best for the real estate and WordPress websites. So let's select it. Here you can type your domain name. So for example I can type my name. Click on next. You can see it's available, so I will type in and fill all the information, and then here you can see some extra packages are selected that we won't need, so we will just uncheck them. So the total price is getting calculated. So you can see we can get it for like $35. So you can add your credit card information and you will get the WordPress like this, that will show up like this. Okay, so here is the WordPress dashboard. So now let's talk about the theme. So we are using this theme that will cost only $29, and it has 4.9 ratings by 130 users. So they are very good and they have 5400 sales as well. So I will provide the link of the theme in the description as well, so you can get access to it. So once you will buy the theme, you will be able to download a zip file, so that will show up like this. So here is the theme file that I got after downloading it. So we will extract it. So here is the folder and you can see the complete package. Okay, so let's go back to the website. So here is the WordPress, and now we have to install the new theme. So we will click on, first we will go to appearance and then we will click on add new, and now we have to click on upload theme, and here we have to upload the theme. So let's go back to the theme and go to the folder theme, and here's the theme file that we have to upload. So drag it, install now. So it will take time, so I can fast forward this video. So the theme is installed now. Click on activate. To activate the theme we also need to add the purchase code and the email address. We can get it from Theme Forest where we purchased the theme. So let me add them. So here is the theme for Rust account, and I have downloaded the purchase code. So I have activated the theme, and now we can go to manage plugins. We have to install both of these plugins. So both of them are installed now. Now we have to install a few other plugins as well in order to set up the theme. So let's click on add new, upload plugin, go back to the theme file that we downloaded, and here you can see the plugins, and we have to install both of these plugins. So let's install them one by one. Go back to installed plugins, mark all of them, activate them. So once the plugins are activated, you can now go to Avas and install the demos. If you face any error like max execution time, if this is not checked in your end, you can watch my latest video. I will put the link in the description as well about how to increase the maximum execution time. So if that errors occur or it is not checked here, you can watch that video to solve it. So let me import the demo now. Import demo, continue and import. Now it will take some time, so I can fast forward this video. So the import is completed now. Let's visit the website. So here you can see we have the website completed, like we have all the demo imported, and we can go to any other page as well. And if we want to make change on any part of the website, we can just go to that page and we can click on edit with Elementor. If we want to change text like here, we will just click on it and we will change the text over here. So you can see it's getting updated. We can also change an image like the same way. We will click on image and then here we can upload a new image, and similarly we can change it and we can drag and drop sections. And if we want to add a new paragraph or a heading, we can just drag and drop and it will be added, and we can move them to any place we want. So it's that simple. So we will click on update once all the changes are done. Let's go back to the website. So I don't want to add layout here. In layout we have the properties, all the listings. So I want to remove this layout from here and correct this layer properties link. Like if we click on this button, we are redirected to another website, so that should not happen. Similarly, when we click on blog, we are redirected to another website as well, and contact us is all good. So we have to change these two options and the layout one. Now we have to set up the menu of our website. So we will go to the menus. So I will remove the layout. Save changes. Go to the website again, refresh, and you can see now the layout is gone. So go back to the website. Now go to right menu, select, and here we have to change the properties. So here you can see the link is not correct, so we can just remove it, and here we can add a new page from view all, and here we can add grid layout maybe, or you can add list layout. Both have a different design and the functionality is same, so we will add it on the top. We will change the name to properties. Close it, and blog is all okay, so it should be good now, and click on save. Go back to the website, refresh, and now let's click on properties. So it's all good now. So now we also want to change grid layout text here, and we want to make it properties. This is because we have changed the menu name but not the page name. So click on edit page from here, and here we can change the text, page title. Go to permalink and add properties over here as well, so the URL will be corrected as well. Update, view page, so it's all good now. So let us check the search functionality as well. So this is the search result page, so it should not be shown over here because we have the search button that is here. So if we type in, for example, New York and search, then we can see this page, and here we can see there is no listing in the New York. So we can remove this search from the menu as well. Left menu, select, just remove it, save. So the website is completed almost, just that this add property button and the login button when we are logged out will not work for now, because that requires an additional plugin, that is this one, Static Pro. It costs $89. So if you need that, you can get that plugin and you can create these pages. For now we can maybe hide these two buttons. So to hide them, we can go to customize, and then we can remove these buttons. As I plan to add them in the future, so I will just go to inspect and I will hide these buttons via CSS, so I can get them back, and we can use a CSS property that is called display. So we will set the display to none so that they will be hidden. So here are the properties of the button. So you can see the button is gone now. So we will copy this CSS. We can go to customize, and then we can go to additional CSS and we can paste it over here, and now it will be permanently gone. So to hide this top bar, we will go to header and top header, and we will click on disable. And you can see it is gone now, so we will click on publish. To change the logo, we can go to global logo, and here we can change the both of these logos, but as I currently don't have logo, so I will keep this one. You can change the logo from here. So thank you for watching. So if you have any question, you can comment and I will answer you as soon as possible, and you can contact me on my social profiles as well. I will add all the links in the description of this videos, and I will also add the resources link, like the best hostings that I recommend, the theme that I used in this video, and the plugin. So I will add all of those links in the description so you can get access to them